So first, you want to go to betaprofiles.com, and then you'll see this screen. Go to iOS or iPadOS 16, depending on if you're on an iPhone or an iPad, and there should be some ads. Just close out of that. Then install the profile. After that, click Allow, and then it'll say Profile Downloaded. After this, you want to go to your settings, and now go up here to Profile Downloaded, and click Install. Now put in your passcode, and after that, there's going to be an agreement. You can click Install. It pretty much says that, never mind. Then you're going to have to restart your device, so I'm going to restart this real quick. After that, you're going to want to go to Software Update, and then it will check for the update, and then click Download and Install. Now you're going to have to put in your password again, and then it might say Update Requested or Preparing for a while, but for me, it took about maximum of 30 minutes on my iPad Pro, and on my iPhone 13 Pro, it downloaded immediately. So as you see, it is downloading, and now give this about 30 minutes to a couple hours, depending on your Wi-Fi situation, and then you will have it downloaded, and you can install it, which is the next step. Then, after that, you should be running iOS 16 beta. Thanks for watching, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and goodbye.